Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can add a column on Google Docs. So to do that, you are going to go to Format, and as you can see, there is a column tab here. You can choose this column. There's two columns. You can also choose the 3 one. Sorry, that is not a 4 one. There's also more options option. You can have up to only 3 columns though. For instance, you want 2, but you want the spacing to be a little bit bigger, you can do that. And then just select apply. And that's pretty much how you can add columns on Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!